Kickstarting the new year with a healthier savory cake recipe that I'm sure you all are going to love. Studded with colorful veggies, this jeweled semolina savory cake recipe is a keeper for sure, and you will be surprised to see how easy it is to make the cake. We will start by combining the rava, that is semolina, and curd or yogurt in a bowl. The semolina that I am using here is also known as Bombay rava, the ones that we regularly use to make upma at home. Use the thick part of the yogurt which is at room temperature. This is such a beginners friendly recipe that I need to say you don't have to worry about over mixing the cake batter or doing any step wrong, but I do have to mention that if you are worried about the same, then I have an amazing free ebook all about baking tips for you guys to download from my blog spicesandflavors.com. I will leave the link in the description box below for the same. Coming back, once the rava and yogurt are mixed, let the rava soak and swell. So simply cover it with a tea towel or a plate and let it sit aside for 10 minutes. That's what you need to do. Meanwhile, let us chop the veggies. So I'm using tri-colored bell peppers or capsicums, whatever you call it, 7 to 8 beans and 1/4 cup of peas today. You can use any veggies of your choice, cauliflower florets, broccoli florets, grated carrot will also work for the recipe. So after 10 minutes, we will add the chopped veggies to the bowl along with the grated ginger, green chilies and salt. Green chilies can be avoided if making for little kids. Mix everything well, and to get it into a batter-like consistency, we would use some water. About 2 to 3 tablespoons should be enough, as once you add the baking soda, the consistency would become runny. So be careful about the water added at this stage. You can always adjust the consistency later too. So too much water would make the cake turn dense and moist, so do not add much water at this stage. You can always adjust it later. So now that the batter is ready, let us prepare the seasoning or tadka to go on top. Heat some oil in a pan, and once hot, add the mustard seeds and urad dal. Again, here you can also go ahead and add in a pinch of asafoetida or hing, some curry leaves, totally up to you. I am just keeping it simple for beginners out there. Okay, so once the seeds crackle and the dal turns golden brown, add it to the bowl along with the baking soda. Working quickly, mix everything well and transfer it to the prepared baking pan. Level the top, sprinkle some sesame seeds on top and bake in a preheated oven of 180 degrees Celsius for 45 to 55 minutes until the top is golden and a skewer inserted in the center comes out clean. Allow it to cool in the pan for 3 to 5 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy it on its own along with a cup of tea, or you can also choose to serve it with ketchup or chutney of your choice. You can also pack it in your kids' lunchbox. I know the schools are closed in other parts of the world, but here in New Zealand everything is up and running. So yes, very well I can pack it in my daughter's lunchbox as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this savory recipe and would also give it a try soon. Wishing you all a very happy and prosperous new year. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in my next one. Until then, this is Sushma signing off. Take care. Bye bye.